Hello everyone, this is the Panda Photographer, and let me tell you why this product here is your best friend, WD-40. The reason why WD-40 is actually pretty darn useful in your best friend is because if you have a tripod, micro rail system, ball heads, etc., you gotta keep them pristine and working and functional. Am I right or wrong? So today I lubed the hell out of my micro rail and tripod system. So if you guys are curious, let me just put this down right here. Put that down right there. But anyway, I'm using the Manfrotto 190 Go tripod. I actually sprayed the legs because I do go out in the winter and snow and rain, and sometimes my joints get kind of jammed or rusted, or they don't slide out as easily like they used to. It's best that you WD-40 wipe down your, first and foremost, wipe down any concentration of precipitation from your tripod. Make sure it's dry completely. Make sure you dry it out before you put on WD-40, all right? Second, I also lube the center column, so when I need to pen up, it can come easily out and snap in and out of place the way it's supposed to function. Third, I also lubricated the ball head here inside the joints here. As you can see, let me just take this off so guys can see what I'm doing. You can see how like it pans really nicely, and I am just like barely untightening it, so that's nice. All right, also did the pan, lube that as well. Also lube the side, so if I want to take a side portrait or something like that, definitely. And I just loosen it up and voila, just like that, bang, easy, done. All right, and I also lubed the micro rail system as well, all the rails. So if I need to zoom in, I can zoom in. If I need to focus back, I can focus back. If I need to pan left or right, I can do that on the top. So it is best that you buy WD-40 and you use it to your best advantages. Especially if you're working in the studio and you're trying to build something, if you come across some hardware that is not functioning right, a little bit stiff, a little bit of rust, WD-40 is your best friend. Now you can pick one of these up for about $3 at any hardware store. Some large retail supermarkets charge like $4.59 for this small bottle. That's price gouging. That is pretty damn bad. So if you are curious, this is a small little bottle and it goes a long way. You don't have to use much, all right? And I'm giving you this tip because I run into these problems all the time with my hardware, and WD-40 rescues my hardware from any long-term damages like rust, squeaking, and etc. So, but yeah, I'm just trying to inform you guys that, like, listen, do the best that you can, but use WD-40. It's the cheapest piece of photography gear that you can buy for your gear, and it works. Trust me. If you're a landscape photographer, astrophotographer, oh yeah, you're definitely going to need WD-40. Believe me when I tell you. Doesn't matter what tripod you have. I have Manfrotto, one of the best tripods out there on the market. I still got to use WD-40. So please don't say like in the comments, I don't need to use WD-40. I take care of my stuff. Really? So if you go out in the winter and you want to do astrophotography and sub-zero temperatures, you don't think rust and condensation is going to build up in your legs or your columns? I don't think so. So don't act like you're a genius, all right? No one is. We all got to learn from other people's experiences. And no one's actually make videos about this at all. I don't see much of it. But with that said, I just want to share my experiences with my gear and how do I actually continue to get my gear to functionally work for long periods of time. I had this tripod for the last 5 years. I love it. This is one of the best Manfrotto tripods that I ever purchased, hands down. Other than this little problem that I'm having right here, as you can see, if they focus, come on, focus. Come on, focus. All right, there you go. You see how the column kind of like not tighten up right here? It's a little gap right here. I need to send this back to Manfrotto, have them fix it. That was my fault because I was trying to expand the legs and the legs got stuck. This is why you should use WD-40. And then when I pulled it out, it pulled the whole damn thing out and broke the plastic that actually fixes the mechanism for sliding up and down. So that was my fault, and I do apologize, Manfrotto. But it got stuck because of the condensation that they built and the sand and the dirt and the rust. So yeah, but other than that, guys, this is the Panda and we are in the house. But if you like what I said about WD-40, please just let me know down in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and share. If you had used WD-40, tell me what you used it for photography related. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. So eat, sleep, photography, repeat. Peace.